Hi buddies, I welcome all of you to my channel, Joji the Explorer, and I'm so glad to be back to explore some new places with you. So are you ready? And plus, as you can see, it's raining heavily right now. Rain has been lashing out Mumbai city and suburban areas for several weeks now. And it has been kind of continuous rain for many days, affecting traffic and travel plans for many. But friends, as I told you earlier, I love rains. I love to venture out during rains. And sometimes it's so difficult, but anyhow, I love it. And plus, I can tell you where I am right now. I'm in Palghar, Palghar. Palghar is a town around 100 kilometers away from Mumbai city. It's a district town, and I mentioned about Palghar in my previous videos, but I'm here for the first time. I got down at the Palghar railway station just a while ago, and I was walking around the station area, station premises. This is the station market, Palghar station market, Palghar West, and this is the Palghar railway station. And this is the market next to the station. And this road next to the station is so narrow and congested. There are several vehicles going and coming. And as you can see here, there are several shops, small tiny shops, and there's one temple over there. You can see the orange color building. That's a temple. Now this temple is Ram Mandir, Sri Ram Mandir, and these are various shops here. It's a typical small town. It's an intersection. And friends, Palghar is one another coastal town in the Mumbai metropolitan region. It has been the administrative capital of Palghar district since 2014, 10 years now. It has become a district in 2014, and of course it's a very beautiful place full of beautiful beaches and scenic locations. So of course we're going to explore some of them today, so please stay tuned. Right now walking through this beautiful street full of greeneries and residential areas, residential villas and buildings on both sides. It's a beautiful place, and see, it's a very beautiful location here, one of the beautiful locations, and all these are residential buildings and villas here. You see, all these are residential buildings all around, and see the greeneries. This is the almond tree. That's so common in Maharashtra, everywhere in Maharashtra. And see, these are very beautiful. This is a very beautiful street, one of the beautiful streets here, with the residential buildings and villas. And you can see majority of the buildings here are the latest ones, and there's a great demand for residential areas in Palghar. It's a very much fast developing area in the Mumbai metropolitan region. All these are the shops, various shops. Is a sports shop, jockey, and there are so many shops and housing complexes, latest ones here. And of course, like many other suburban areas in Mumbai metropolitan region, Palghar is also popular for budget housing. All these are residential buildings here, and shopping complexes, shopping areas all around. The road is full of pothole. Oh my goodness, see the condition of roads. It's a supermarket. I belong to Reliance company, Reliance group of companies. This is a Reliance supermarket, I think. You can see the logo, the Reliance logo. It's a Reliance supermarket, and it's a shopping area basically, with of course residential buildings here. Indian traditional wear sari showroom here, and this is a sari showroom, and there are several shops around here. There's another shop, garment shop over there. That is Western wear. This is a Western shop, Western wear, and I'm wondering, the condition of road is so bad. So I don't know why the authorities are taking note of this situation here. See, the condition of road is so bad, but it is the same situation at many localities in the Mumbai suburban area. But this is one of the most worst road I've seen recently, full of pothole. I'm wondering why the authorities are doing. See, the pothole ridden road here is one of the worst road I have ever seen in my lifetime in Mumbai. Otherwise, it's a very beautiful area. You can also see horse cart like this here, and they're full of shops. It's one of the shopping area. And plus, now it's time to explore some other places in Palghar. First of all, we are going to explore this beach, Kelva Beach. Kelva Beach is one of the most popular and beautiful beaches in Palghar. So we are heading to that place, and for that we'll take a rickshaw or tuk-tuk from the railway station, and also share tuk-tuk, share rickshaw. Okay. And plus, not all roads here are in bad condition. Certain areas I find the roads are very worst, full of pothole, but this road is better, and there are several areas roads are much better. And plus, before heading to the beach, I think I need to eat something. I'm starving. Haven't eaten anything since morning, so I'm looking for a restaurant right now. There is one restaurant. That is better. Let's go and ask. Let's go and see. Vegetable restaurant. Okay, fine. This is the menu, and these are the items available here. So I'm going to order cheese masala dosa, a small snack. That's all. Wow, this is one huge masala dosa. Isn't it? Oh my God, it's a non-stop rain, my dear friends. This has been the situation for several days now. Continuous rain, day and night, non-stop. So, and now I'm gonna take a rickshaw from here to the beach. It's a heavy rain right now. As I already asked which one goes to the Kelva beach side. I'm in the cab right now. It's a share cab. And first I finally made to the Kelva beach area. Kelva beach, and beach is only 1 or 2 minutes walking distance. Okay, you can hear the sound of waves from here. And this is the beach area. Wow, this is one of the most scenic locations I have ever seen in the entire Maharashtra. It's a very beautiful location. These are the independent villas, beachside villas, and you can see the palm trees and so many varieties of trees. And there's one mandir that is called Shitla Devi Mandir next to the beach, and there are several villas and beautiful houses around, and the most scenic locations, I say, in the entire Maharashtra. One of the most scenic. Haven't seen more beautiful than this area in anywhere else. See the beauty of nature here. It's a beautiful place, and you can park your vehicles for 20 rupees, only 20 rupees here. This is the parking area for vehicles, and I can see one playing area for kids, children's playing area there, over there, and these are the, various offerings, and in the small stalls here you can see selling flyers and various offerings to the God. I mean, I told you there's one beautiful mandir temple here, and these shops are selling puja items. See, this is the temple. This is the temple, Shitla Devi Temple, or Shitla Devi Mandir, and it's a beautiful mandir next to the beach, very next to the beach. Okay, it's a very beautiful mandir temple here, and it's my favorite tree, banyan tree. There are several banyan tree here, and a small tiny shop selling refreshments and various items. That is the road. I don't know where this road is, and this is the beach area. This is the gate to the beach, and this way I can go to the beach. As usual, you get to see all these small tiny refreshments stores here that you get to see everywhere on the beach, and beaches out there. My friends, there's a small entry fee to enter the beach, only 5 rupees. It's a very nominal fee, 5 rupees only. Okay, stores on the beach, but most of them are closed. I don't know why. And all these are several stores. Some of them are opened, and here you also get to see the suru trees that you have seen at Dahanu beach area. You can see the suru trees here, the same suru trees. Wow, it's a jungle. It's a forest, like looks like a forest full of suru trees here. Amazing. And I had to hide my face using my umbrella because of heavy winds blowing right now. There's a very heavy winds. And friends, see the amazing. This is the rough sea right now. These are the heavy winds. Very rough sea. Walking on the beach is prohibited because of the high tide and heavy winds currently, and I'm not attempting that right now. It's so beautiful. The rough sea is so beautiful, amazing. Hello friends, I find this pathway between these trees, suru trees, is so enchanting. So another beautiful banyan tree here too, and now I exit the beach now, and yeah. Friends, now let's explore this area around this beach. I mean, outside the beach, and this is I think this kind of, okay, this is school. That's from the school next to the beach. Oh, amazing, facing the beach. That's from the school. What is this? Nutan Vidya Vikas Mandal. Okay, this is in a school. It's in a school, dear friends, and I think probably school is closed now. And the area around is so beautiful, so enchanting. See the palm trees, the coconut trees, and buildings, structures in the middle. And it's an amazing, beautiful place, of course. And plus, I just want to hang around 5 minutes before leaving this place. I'm really so fascinated by this area. Very beautiful, very, very beautiful. And friends, for those seeking adventure, Palghar offers a range of activities. The coastal areas are perfect for water sports, but currently no water sport facilities due to the heavy rains. And friends, there are various types of trees here, but one special tree I found here is betel nut tree. That is not common in Maharashtra, but it's the first time seeing this betel nut tree here. You can see the banana tree. It's not a tree exactly, it's a plant, but people call it banana tree, but it's not exactly tree. There are so many varieties of trees here, including coconut trees, various types of palm trees, and all types of trees difference. I love such places so much. There's one villa here, and there are several villas on the sides. And first now it's time to leave this place, and I'm gonna take a tuk-tuk or rickshaw from here. I'm in the cab now. In recent years, Kelwa Beach has seen a gradual increase in tourism infrastructure, with several resorts and homestays offering comfortable accommodations. Despite this, this area has managed to maintain its tranquility and charm, making it a perfect spot for a relaxing retreat. And so finally made to the Palghar station. We're going to take a train from here, Churchgate train, and get down at Dadar. I'm at platform number 1. The Palghar has total 3 platforms, and I'm at the number 1 platform. I think I had to go to the other side to get Churchgate bound train, and I found this coconut vendor inside the platform. It's not normal. This is the first time seeing a coconut vendor selling coconuts inside the station. And also this fruit vendor, this is chiku fruit. So कितना है भैया? Chiku fruit vendor inside the station. I haven't seen it before. It's the first time seeing inside the station premise. क्या नाम है आपका? Sanjay Chauhan. Okay, it's a very sweet chiku here, and you can come and buy. Palghar. So another famous chiku vendor here at Palghar. Inside the station, not outside. And first, the time is 5:15. My train will come at 6:15. I'll have to wait 1 more hour. And after Virar or Borivali, the frequency of local trains is very limited, so I'll have to wait for more. So no option, but it's okay. Okay. And friends, that's all for today. I'm signing off. I'll see you next week, next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching. And if you like my videos, watch till end. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.